Welcome back to another video. I just opened ChatGPT because I keep hearing the term prompt engineering everywhere. People say, if you know prompt engineering, you can use AI like a pro. But honestly, I have no idea what it means. This video is for anyone who's confused about how to get the real benefits from AI and how to get exactly what you need from tools like ChatGPT. So today, I asked ChatGPT, can you explain prompt engineering in the simplest way possible? ChatGPT gave me a full explanation, but then I told it, I'm new to this, and I have no idea how it works. Can you help me out? Let's see what result it gives me now. Now, I tell ChatGPT, for example, I want to write an ebook. So, what exactly should I say to ChatGPT so that it gives me the full result, from finding the perfect book title all the way to writing the entire ebook? Let's see what result it gives me. Now, we take this prompt. We'll replace the topic, audience, tone, and word count with whatever we want. For example, topic, motivation. Audience, anyone feeling stuck, unmotivated, or unsure about their next step in life. And for word count, 1,500 to 2,000 words per chapter. Once that's ready, we copy this prompt, open ChatGPT in a new tab, paste it in, and let's see what result it gives us. So, ChatGPT gave me this list of 10 catchy book title ideas. Now, back in my first tab, I say, okay, now I understand that I have to do it step by step. So, let's start from the first point. In step 1, how should I tell ChatGPT that I want to write an ebook, but I want to do it one step at a time, waiting for the next instruction before continuing? For the first step, I want it to tell me what types of books sell the most online. Let's see what result it gives us. Now ChatGPT gave me this exact instruction. I copied it and I'm going to paste it into a new chat to see what it returns. Alright, now I paste this into a new ChatGPT chat and press enter. Let's see what result it gives us. So, ChatGPT gave me this list, and as you can see, we're going with number 10, because its competition level is marked as medium. At number 10, it listed tech/programming and practical how-to guides. That's the one we'll use to create a completely unique book. Now, I'll have it write the very first step for this topic, and then, we'll move on to the next. So, it gave me this. Now, I'm going to open the second tab, paste this in, and see what results it gives me. So, now ChatGPT has given me 10 title ideas, and we're picking number 1, code smarter, not harder. Now, we go back to the first tab and give it this. Now we have number 1 to title option 1, code smarter, not harder. Then we ask, now, if we want to write the ebook on this, what should I tell ChatGPT in the next step, exactly? And let's see what result it gives us. Now, we take this. We paste it into the next tab, the one where we started our ebook, and hit enter. And just like that, it begins writing chapter by chapter. 12 chapters, beautifully structured, ready for us to approve. Now, back in the first tab, it gave me this chapter 1, Why Smarter Beats Harder, along with a complete table of contents, listing all the chapters and sections. So, what's next? Well, now we simply tell ChatGPT to start writing the chapters, but here's the trick, we do it one chapter at a time. Now, we dive deeper into Chapter 2, the Tech Skill Map. This chapter is all about giving readers the big picture, showing how coding, AI, and no-code tools fit together in a clear, easy-to-understand way. With prompt engineering, ChatGPT doesn't just dump information. It carefully crafts each section, from catchy chapter titles, to summaries that explain exactly what the reader will learn, to detailed key takeaways that break down the skills into manageable pieces. For example, it highlights 3 core skill buckets, coding fundamentals, AI literacy, and no-code automation, and explains how these skills connect and build on each other. It also helps readers figure out which learning path fits their career goals, whether they're a student, a manager, or a freelancer. And it goes beyond theory by suggesting practical projects, like an interactive skill map worksheet and case studies of different learners, so readers can apply what they learn in real life. This thoughtful approach makes the ebook engaging and practical, showing exactly why these skills matter and how to start mastering them. Moving on to Chapter 3, Core Coding in Weeks, Not Years. This chapter cuts through the noise and focuses on what really matters, the minimal coding skills you need to start building real projects fast. Instead of overwhelming you with every programming language out there, it recommends choosing one versatile language like Python or JavaScript that opens many doors quickly. It covers the essential concepts you must master: variables, loops, functions, and APIs, the building blocks of nearly all software. The key here is practice over theory. The chapter encourages you to build simple projects as you learn, helping you apply what you study immediately. For example, you might create a to-do list app using JavaScript, or write a data cleaner script in Python. Projects that reinforce your understanding and build your confidence. This practical, focused approach ensures you gain useful skills without getting lost in complexity, helping you become productive in just weeks, not years. Now, let's dive into Chapter 4, Building Without Code. This chapter is a game changer for anyone who wants to create apps, websites, or automate workflows but doesn't have a coding background. It introduces the top no-code platforms, like Airtable, Zapier, and Webflow, explaining when and how to use each one effectively. You'll also learn how combining no-code tools with a little bit of light coding can give you even more flexibility and power, without needing to become a full developer. The focus is on building minimum viable products, or MVPs, simple, functional prototypes you can launch fast, saving time and money. For example, you'll see how to create a working web form using Airtable and Zapier that automates data collection and processes, or how to launch a professional landing page quickly with Webflow. This chapter shows you that you don't need to write complex code to build useful digital products. No-code tools put that power in your hands. Chapter 5 introduces AI as your tech copilot, a powerful partner to speed up learning, coding, and problem solving. You'll learn how AI tools like ChatGPT and GitHub Copilot can act as your coding assistants, helping you write, debug, and improve code faster than ever before. Beyond coding, AI can assist in data analysis and automation, freeing up your time and making complex tasks easier. But it's not all perfect. This chapter also covers how to avoid AI hallucinations when AI gives incorrect or misleading information, and the best ways to verify AI's output to ensure accuracy. Chapter 6 is all about automating your workflow to save time and reduce repetitive tasks. First, you'll learn how to map out your current daily routine to spot tasks that can be automated. Then, we'll explore the best tools for automation, like Zapier, Make, or even Python scripts. Finally, you'll see how to test and maintain these automations to keep everything running smoothly. Real-world projects include automating email reports and scheduling social media posts, practical ways to boost your productivity. Chapter 7 introduces the Power Project method, a learning approach that ties every new concept to a real project you build. This method helps you learn faster by applying ideas immediately, instead of just reading or watching. You'll discover how to scope and plan a project in under an hour, making your learning focused and efficient. Plus, you'll learn how to stack projects, building on each one to expand your skills step by step. For example, you might start by creating a personal dashboard app, then add AI-generated data summaries to make it even smarter. Chapter 8 dives into collaboration without chaos, teaching you essential teamwork and version control skills so you can work with others like a pro. You'll get a simple, no-overwhelm introduction to Git and GitHub, powerful tools for managing code and projects together. Plus, you'll learn how to write clear documentation, making your work easy for others to understand, and discover how to use shared tools like Trello, Notion, and Slack to keep your team organized and connected. For practice, you'll set up a GitHub repository and collaborate on a shared code snippet with a peer, gaining real hands-on experience. In Chapter 9, you'll learn how to build a portfolio that truly stands out to employers or clients. We'll cover exactly what to include, from your best projects to your results. You'll discover how to present your work with clear context, showing the impact you made. Plus, tips on using LinkedIn, GitHub, and personal websites effectively to showcase your skills. As a hands-on project, you'll create your own portfolio site using Webflow or GitHub pages, and even do a before and after portfolio review to see your progress. Chapter 10 teaches you how to keep your tech skills fresh and relevant without falling into endless learning traps. You'll learn how to curate a personal learning feed, so you only see what really matters. Apply new skills in real work as soon as possible, so learning becomes practical, not just theoretical. Adopt the just-in-time learning mindset, learning only what you need when you need it. For practice, set up an RSS feed of tech news and identify one new skill to apply in the upcoming week. In Chapter 11, explore how to turn your skills into extra income. Learn how to find your first paid project and package your skills for clients. We'll share ideas for low-effort digital products you can create and sell online. For example, you might create a simple $29 template or an automation tool that others find valuable. This chapter is optional if you want to expand your book to 11 or 12 chapters, but it's a powerful step toward monetizing your learning. Finally, Chapter 12 wraps everything up with a clear 90-day action plan. You'll get a week-by-week roadmap for learning and projects to keep you moving forward. Learn how to track your progress and stay accountable to your goals. We'll also cover when and how to pivot your learning path if needed. To support you, there's a printable 90-day planner and an accountability challenge sign-up, so you're set up to succeed. Now we have all 12 chapters of Code Smarter, Not Harder ready. This is what prompt engineering is: learning how to ask AI the right way to get the best results. If you want to use AI better, you should learn prompt engineering too. If you have questions or want me to cover something in future videos, write it in the comments. If this video helped you, please like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.